For a party which takes pride in saving the economy from its worst ever crisis during the early 90s, its stance on globalization and foreign investment seemed to take a curiously inward-looking Swadeshi turn. On the Rajiv Gandhi assassination case and the Jain Commission interim report, the manifesto goes further to describe regional parties comprising the front as proponents of linguistic and ethnic divides and calls for a sense of national party which can offer permanence at the centre. In its preamble, the Congress states that its manifesto aims to take India into the 21st century with dignity and pride. But at a time when the Indian voter has become too wary of statements and promises, only emotions and charisma can perhaps catapult the Congress to power.